What's up, everybody? This is Ryan from Counts Custom. Any of you in the industry, you know what a block is and what we use it for and what it does. And you also know a lot of the drawbacks on those, and mostly that is they will lie to you. Most blocks out there will absolutely lie to you. They'll tell you it's straight, but it's really not. However, linear blocks, this is one that we've already used, and the flex on this thing is ridiculous for any of those compound curves. But what it does is it keeps a true surface for sanding. Got wet sanding blocks, various thicknesses, widths, and lengths. And that's one of the best things about these blocks. The industry has progressed so much as far as its bodywork and its fit and finish and the color sanding and buffing in the last 10 years that's become the norm. Back in the day, we all wondered how the hell those guys get their stuff so flat. And over the years, it's come out that, you know, they're using glass blocks or aluminum blocks or whatever, and those all have their drawbacks too. But with linear blocks, with the acrylics, you get the flex that you want, plus you get the true sanding surface. The best thing that they have come up with, other than their blocks, and this is something that they've been developing but recently released, is they have continuous sticky back wet sandpaper. Everything from 800, I believe, all the way up to 2000. Now, what that does, as opposed to just, you know, what we've been doing for years, is folding our paper and wrap it around the block. What it does is it sticks to an already true sanding surface. So as true as this surface is, that's how true the sandpaper is going to be. When you fold it up, now you're adding cushion to it, and that cushion is going to lie to you. It's going to tell you there's no cellulite, it's going to tell you there's no orange peel, but when you look down the car after you spent days, hours, weeks sanding on that, what do you know? You still see the cellulite. With their sandpaper and their blocks, I promise you, you will not. These will not lie to you. The advantages that we've had at Counts Customs using the linear blocks, and we've been working with them for close to a year now, has been night and day. We've had blocks from other companies, other acrylic blocks, and for me and the guys that work here, the handles, everything, the handles just weren't right. They didn't allow you to move around on a block like you're supposed to. With these blocks, 3 fingers, take your time, and as long as these are, and as true as they are in the better sandpaper that we have from linear blocks, you're actually doing it twice as fast, but not putting in nearly the effort.